Hey, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be playing some BloxBurg, and this is going to be my house. Yes, I'm going to do an official tour of my house today. So, without any further ado, let's begin. Yes, I'm recording at my dad's today. I got a new headset, and I finally got OBS Studio on my computer there. So, without any further ado, let's begin. So, this is my library. Storage room. Storage room. Leave a suggestion for this room. And this is a bathroom. Living room, kitchen. Yes, I have an elevator. Kids room. Guest bed. Master bedroom. Bathroom. And laundry room. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.